Yay, so my Nutribullet baby has arrived. Y'all can pay before, but I pay after. Hello. Target had this on Afterpay, and I was so excited to get it. I've been seeing a couple of videos on it, and I really wanted to try it on Muffin, my 6-month-old. We've already tested out sweet potatoes in the grocery store for her. So I decided to get some sweet potatoes out of the store already peeled and already diced into small pieces. So the recipe calls for 1 cup of the diced sweet potatoes. You're also going to see in a few seconds that I add a little bit of water, and I just got that tip from other YouTubers that have made that suggestion. And then you make sure that it's on securely, and you're going to see it steam up in a few minutes. On the auto setting, it's supposed to do both steam and blend together. And boom, there you go. So in a few seconds, you're also going to see it blend and start the puree process. Boom, there it is. I really, really love it. It's super cute and it's convenient because I noticed nowadays in the grocery store, the baby food in the pouch has like 3 ingredients. So you don't know what's good and what's not, right? What your baby's gonna like. This came out perfect. And as you can see, Muffin loves it. So I can't wait to try other fruits and vegetables in my new NutriBullet baby. Y'all moms, y'all gotta go get this. 40 moms, all moms, let's get it.